Alright, on number 10, we want to name all of these ionic compounds, and each one of these, the metal is one of our variable charges. So we're going to have to look at our polyatomic ion or the other atom, like in C, to figure out the charge of the metal. Alright, so on this first one, it's chromium carbonate. But since that chromium has a variable charge, it's going to have the charge in those parentheses. But we can figure out everything else just because of the polyatomic ion name. Alright, so on our polyatomic ions list, we see that our carbonate has a -2 charge. We have 3 of those. It's going to give us a total of -6. So we need these 2 to add up to +6, meaning each one of those must be a 3. Our next one, carbonate this time, is with a copper, and since it's a nice 1-to-1 relationship, we know the copper charge is exactly the same as the carbonate charge. Now, the next one's not that bad because selenium isn't a polyatomic ion. It's just a non-metal, has a -2 charge. So I'm going to have to get those 2 coppers to add up to +2 to neutralize that. And it gets the IDE suffix since it is a non-metal. Alright. On my next one, I have 2 sulfates. Sulfates are each -2, so that manganese must be a manganese 4, because there's only one of those, and I need to counterbalance both those negatives. And then magnesium is a fixed charge, so that's just going to be magnesium nitrate.